Think your diet is healthy? Think again. Some of the most common foods in your kitchen could be sabotaging your health without you even knowing. Stick around to see if your favorite snack made the list. Welcome back to Diet Guru, where we turn nutrition science into simple, life-changing tips. Today, we're exposing 15 foods that might be secretly harming your body. Ready to level up your health? Let's dive in. White bread may look innocent, but it's basically sugar in disguise. It spikes your blood sugar, leaving you tired and hungry. Swap it for whole grain bread to keep your energy steady and your gut happy. Diet soda tricks your brain with artificial sweeteners that can actually increase cravings. Switch to sparkling water with lemon for real refreshment without the chemical cocktail. That strawberry yogurt has more sugar than a candy bar. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add your own fresh fruit for protein without the sugar crash. Deli meats are packed with preservatives linked to serious health issues. Grill some chicken or turkey instead for clean protein your body will thank you for. Margarine is basically plastic food. Those trans fats clog your arteries. Use real butter in moderation or switch to heart-healthy olive oil. Comment below, did your favorite food make the list? Quick poll, how many of these foods are in your pantry right now? Drop a comment and let's compare. Your morning cereal has more sugar than dessert. Start your day with steel-cut oats and berries for sustained energy that actually fuels your brain. Granola bars are candy bars in disguise. They're loaded with sugar and preservatives. Grab a handful of nuts for real energy without the crash. Fruit juice is just sugar water without the fiber. You're drinking 6 oranges worth of sugar in 1 glass. Eat the whole fruit instead for nutrients and satisfaction. Bottled dressings turn healthy salads into chemical soups. Make your own with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs for flavor without the fake ingredients. Most protein bars are glorified candy with artificial everything. Get your protein from real food like eggs, chicken, or Greek yogurt for nutrients your body recognizes. Instant oatmeal packets are sugar bombs in disguise. The flavored versions have more sugar than cookies. Stick to plain steel-cut oats for real nutrition. Veggie chips are just regular chips with vegetable powder. They're fried, salted, and stripped of nutrients. Eat real vegetables with hummus for actual health benefits. Bonus round. Here are 3 more foods you should watch out for. Bet you didn't see #13 coming. If you learned something new, smash that like button and share this with a friend who needs a nutrition wake-up call. For more science-backed diet tips, hit subscribe and join the Diet Guru family.